All right, folks, we got a beautiful spring day here. We are 20 months into this renovation of this 6-unit fire property, corner of 17th and Hamilton here. And we are complete. We are expecting residents to move in today. Very excited. As you see here, new air conditioners. We'll get into some of the details here, but we'll walk through. We'll show what we've been able to do over a 20-month renovation with this Victorian, what used to be single family home, now an outer shell. We've renovated to be able to modernize the insides, all new electrical panels, brand new kitchens and bathrooms, while keeping some of the historical charm that we're able to, revitalize. Like this floor, it's original floor, original fireplace, keeping that obviously here, but for the most part, new windows, new flooring, tile in the bathrooms and kitchens, waterfall showers, really trying to make it feel like home and comfortable for people in today's 2026 modern age, while being true to saving some of the historical components on this very prominent corner here in Allentown. This unit, just walking into and out of, has its own private porch here and own private entrance. The rest of them are accessed here through this door. Here we are, another floor we were able to save on the first floor. We got a bedroom in that way, we go to the kitchen that way. Again, this unit also has a side porch with their own private access. All other units, their back doors go out to that fire escape you see through the window here. But coming into the bathroom here, I'll stand up in this, 1-bedroom apartment that we're in. We put this door actually here so that you can go into the bathroom without having to go through someone's bedroom. But brand new kitchen, tiles looking great, colors looking great, all new appliances, everything really coming along nicely. Brand new electric within every electrical panel, and that's what we like to see. As we go up, excuse me. And this is another 1-bedroom. Look at the stained glass we're able to save. Keep here in the living room. Nice big open sized living room here. Each of the units have their own climate control as well. Brand new energy efficient HVAC systems. And nice sized bedroom. Closet. A little mini storage guy over here. Light goes on with motion. And solid sized bathroom. Hey. And kitchen over here. Nice windows, a ton of natural light coming in here. Every unit has a dishwasher. And we'll go across the hall to this 2-bedroom, which is actually my favorite of the 6 units here. Huge living room, huge kitchen. And I'll just give you a little glimpse of, the back here, going out to the fire escape. I think the favorite feature is this little balcony that this unit has private access to. Oh yeah, it's a good spot. 2 bedrooms that are involved with this. Original bowed windows here. Tons of natural sunlight. You don't see a window made like that anymore. Restored that. We got closets and everything. Again, this is the HVAC system. Nice. Bathroom, looking nice. Pantry shelving as I back my way into the next bedroom. Weathered glass windows, cleaned up. Okay, it's getting there. Get the built-in shelves. And then we go to the 3rd floor for the last 2. Which we had to put a new roof on this due to the fire that originally happened in this unit. And because of the new roof, we had to demolition the whole entire 3rd floor. So we rebuilt everything up here from down to the studs and framing. The whole building has new electric and new plumbing, let alone kitchens and baths. But this whole 3rd floor got re-architected just a little bit to make the best use of the space since we had it all down for the floor anyway. Or I'm sorry, the roof. Wall to ceiling tile there. It's a closet. And then we got the final 2 bedroom. Nice sized bedroom. Yeah, it's a smaller bedroom here, but good for a kid or just auxiliary, maybe an office. Someone will use it in the way they feel fit. Your living room here. And then our kitchen. Had to squeeze it in here, but we got enough counter space and cabinets and a little reading nook or a little dining room nook here. So 21 months, we got residents moving in today and looking forward to turning this operational. All right, ciao.